Now let's take a closer look at the different GitHub Copilot plans and features. This section focuses on Domain 2, where we break down the available plans, the pricing structure, and the capabilities offered under each plan. We'll also cover the GitHub Copilot certification, designated as GH300, which is designed to help users demonstrate their proficiency with the tool. Understanding these options will help you decide which plan best fits your needs and how to leverage Copilot's features most effectively. On this slide, we're looking at the different GitHub Copilot plans and what each offers, so you can choose the right one for your needs. Starting with the free plan, it's designed for individuals who want to get started with GitHub Copilot. It includes up to 2,000 code completions per month and 50 chat messages, with basic IDE integration for VS Code and JetBrains. It's great for personal use, but note it doesn't come with intellectual property indemnity. Moving up to the Pro plan, also for individuals, this removes limits on code completions and chat requests, giving you unlimited access. It provides advanced AI models, including Claude and GPT-4, and supports Versus Code, JetBrains, and Neovim. However, it doesn't include any enterprise features. For teams and organizations, the business plan builds on the Pro features but adds essential management tools like license and policy management, organization audit logs, and content exclusions. It also offers IP indemnity coverage and REST API management, making it well suited for collaborative environments with compliance requirements. Lastly, the enterprise plan is tailored for large organizations. It includes all business plan features plus advanced capabilities like Copilot Chat on GitHub.com, integration with knowledge bases for retrieval augmented generation, custom fine-tuned models, pull request summaries, code review assistance, codebase indexing, and even Bing web search integration. This plan is designed to leverage AI deeply across large, complex development teams. Each plan is thoughtfully structured to meet different levels of usage and organizational needs, from individual developers to expansive enterprises. Here we have a comprehensive feature matrix comparing the different GitHub Copilot plans. Starting with code completions, the free plan offers 2,000 completions per month, while all paid plans provide unlimited completions. For chat messages, the free plan allows 50 messages per month, with unlimited messaging across Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans. When it comes to IDE support, the free plan is limited to VS Code only, but the Pro and Business plans extend support to all IDEs, and the Enterprise plan further includes GitHub.com integration. More advanced capabilities like IP indemnity, policy management, audit logs, and content exclusions become available starting with the business plan, providing added protections and compliance features essential for larger teams. The enterprise plan goes even further by including knowledge bases, PR summaries, custom models, and codebase indexing features, which enhance productivity and customization options for organizations with complex workflows. Overall, as you move from free to enterprise, the features scale significantly to meet the needs of individual developers, teams, and large enterprises seeking comprehensive tools and governance. Here, we focus on GitHub Copilot's integration with various IDEs and how you can easily trigger its suggestions. Copilot supports a wide range of environments, including Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio 2022 and later, JetBrains products like IntelliJ and PyCharm, as well as Neovim. It's also available directly on GitHub.com for enterprise users, GitHub Mobile, GitHub Codespaces, and even through the GitHub CLI using the GH Copilot command. When it comes to triggering suggestions, it's quite intuitive. As you start typing, Copilot generates inline suggestions in ghost text. To accept a suggestion, simply press the Tab key, and if you want to dismiss it, you hit Escape. You can navigate through multiple suggestions using Alt plus the bracket keys on Windows or Option plus the brackets on Mac, moving forward or backward as needed. For more options, pressing Ctrl plus Enter opens the Suggestions panel, giving you a broader view. Inline chat is accessible with Ctrl and I on Windows or CMD and I on Mac, while the Copilot Chat sidebar can be opened by clicking the chat icon on the sidebar. Additionally, /commands like /explain, /fix, /tests, and /doc let you interact with Copilot in more specific ways, enhancing your coding workflow. Overall, these flexible integrations and easy-to-use commands make working with Copilot seamless across different development setups. GitHub Copilot Chat is an innovative conversational AI designed to assist developers directly within their IDE or on github.com. It allows you to interact naturally, asking questions about your code, requesting explanations, refactoring suggestions, test generation, and debugging help all through simple chat commands. Some key /commands make this interaction efficient. For example, you can use /explain to get a clear understanding of how selected code works or /fix to suggest improvements for any issues detected. To generate unit tests for your code, just type /tests, while /doc helps add documentation comments automatically. If you want to optimize for better performance, /optimize is the command to use. Managing your chat is made easy too, with commands like /clear to reset conversations or /new to start fresh. And if you ever need guidance on using Copilot Chat, the /help command is always available. To get the best results, it's important to follow some best practices. Use specific and detailed prompts, and always provide relevant code context before asking your questions. You can reference your entire workspace with @workspace, focus on specific files using @file, or highlight selected code with #selection. The chat keeps track of your conversation history, enabling follow-up questions for refining the output further. Combining this chat feature with inline suggestions boosts your productivity, making your coding process smoother and more efficient.